Hello, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday's class. Today I'm focusing on the black women in history. One of my favorites is Beyonce. Her music and her dancing has showed women everywhere that you can look beautiful doing it all. Next is Issa Rae for giving all of us comedy on a level of our insecurities, melanated women everywhere. To all the women who are positive changes in everyone they meet, black women of teaching, black mothers, sisters, jump back and kiss yourselves for a fantastic path you have opened up for more women to smile. From Europe to California, we traveled, making our whole world what it is today. The American black woman is melanated, adding her touch of grace and prosperity to humanity everywhere. Thank you for joining Tuesday's class, a quick black history lesson for today's Tuesday's art class. Bye bye.